CAC 2025. Let's check each one. The first one, SML Limited. Yeah, this is the Hall 7.2. It's an international one. We made that one. Interfield is our customer. We have been working this company for a long time. It's an influential one in India. Yeah, we offered the furniture, everything. The plant, that one is ours too, Barrett. Yeah, it's very nice. They're busy. I cleaned it. Very nice. How about that one? GHARDA Chemicals from India too. Mega Money Organics. How about that one? SURFACTANT. Clariant is famous. 2MBIO. Let's walk faster. KRISHI LEVACO AGR. Okay, AGROW. I think there's an O. DHARMAJ. Caramendo, yeah. Tagras, TAGROS. It's a big one. Hemani Industrials Limited. GSP. Yeah, I know that one. GSP. Whaler Wood. It's a double-deck one. Indorama. It has a big suspension tower. Tagras. Okay, there is a few international ones in this northern part. Let's check this direction. Yeah, I focus on the international ones since there's tremendous domestic ones. I don't have too much time to cover them. SPECTRUM. Okay, this one maybe is from India too. There's a lot of Indian exhibitors. Safex, SAFEX, Polyplast. This one is from Italia. FINCHIMICE from Italy. That's very nice. They are working here. Italian one. CAC. It's a pavilion. SCI Agro hyphen Biogamma. Let's walk faster. If your company has a chance to attend CAC 2026, you can contact me for the stand design and construction. That one is XENON AARTI Industries. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Very good. GU, okay, GU, the last letter. I'm not sure. It's pretty bright, not blend at all. Shada, SHARDA. Shada is pretty, it's a famous Indian name. TENSIOFIX. Right, let's move to that way. Yeah, everything's done. My customers' content. Let's go to that way. This is like a little bungalow. Guys, if you are here, just give me a like. Your like means a lot for me. Look at the name. HERANBA. There's a cafe. NACL. Okay, that one looks like a bungalow. It's very nice. CTUL. Yeah, it's CTUL. The first letter looks a little Parik. It's ours too. We've done it. That is ours too. GEISHIL. 18 square meters. What about this one? KATRA. Wow, Agro STULLN. That one. Very nice. Absolutely better than 2024. It's much better this year. The ADVANCE from India. And most of the foreign international exhibitors are from India. India is a big manufacturer of pesticides, insecticides. Okay, let's see them again. Yeah, this part is the central part, the most important part of this hall. Indogolf. Fungicide also. FUNGICIDE. Those professional terms are pretty new for me. This one is from Japan. Nichino. A Japanese one. It's a double-decker one. Double deck. Okay guys, if you like this video, give me a like. I've been working so hard. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the best. No matter where you are, your like is just like a diamond for me. It's a big encouragement Okay, I will see you guys later. AZELIS. Yeah, they're small, big ones. GEOLIFE. Okay, bye bye everyone. See you. Ciao, ciao.